Happy Monday morning, everyone. This is Sister Higgins. Welcome to week 9, Moderating and Negotiating Conflict. Now, this is the title of the lesson material for this week, which is chapters 6, 8, and 9 out of your textbook, Interpersonal Conflict. Now, as we're going to talk about in your overview for this week, the main focus for this week is your midterm. And so I am extending the deadline for your capture assignment from chapter 6, 8, and 9 to next Wednesday. So you will not have any assignments due this week. Now, please don't see this as a free week not to have to do anything. That's not why I'm extending the due date for your capture assignment. I want you to be able to focus on studying for your midterm. Once you've been able to take your midterm, I would encourage you to start your reading material for your capture for this week. Because next week, you're going to be breaking up into partners and doing a case study, and you're going to have a normal amount of work for next week. So if you put everything from this week all onto next week, it's going to increase your workload. And that's not what I want to do. I just want to make sure that you have the time necessary to focus on the midterm, but still keep in mind that you still have that work to do. If you have questions, let me know. I'm just trying to do whatever I can to help you succeed on your midterm exam. Okay, so just some helpful hints. First, I emailed out to everyone a midterm study guide that Brother Ali, who teaches another section of COMM 450, and he's been teaching it for a while now, he has put together based on how everyone has been doing on the practice quizzes that we've offered. And he's put quite a bit of work into this. So I encourage you to read over the study guide so that you are feeling confident in the material you've learned over the last 8 weeks prior. And remember, it's open book and open notes. But this test is not an easy test. So I don't want you to think that, it's going to be a piece of cake. If you're trying to look up the answers for each question, you will really struggle to get done in the 2-hour block of time. So I encourage you to take advantage of that study guide that I sent out. There will not be any extensions for the midterm. So it needs to be done Saturday night by 11 p.m. No exceptions. So make sure whatever you need to do that you've got 2 hours of uninterrupted time to take that midterm. I've been saying that for the last couple of weeks. And then also, just so that you know, Wednesday night is my office hours from 8 to 9. So if you have questions on concepts or anything like that, please feel free to contact me. I'm happy to clarify anything before you take your midterm. Unless you want to take it prior to that, then that's great. Or feel free to email me if you have questions. One thing that I liked to do when I was in graduate school in my online classes is pick a couple of people to kind of do a study group with, which you would think might be a little bit odd in an online class, but it actually worked out really well to pick a time that I can just throw out questions that I have and they'd email back to me, or that we would do like a Google Hangouts or something like that so that we could review material with each other and just kind of go chapter by chapter or week by week. So it's up to you if that's something that you want to do, but the more opportunities that you have to review the material, the better it will be in your mind. Okay, so coming soon. This is just talking about the chapters that are going to be for next week. This is where you're going to be getting, starting your new book, Getting to Yes. So just make sure that you're prepared for that you've got that textbook ready to go. And then remember also that your capture assignment for this week will be extended to next Wednesday. So just in terms of motivating you, I wanted to share this quote from President Monson. Do your duty, that is best. Leave unto the Lord the rest. And I kind of like it worded like this. Trust the Lord, do your best, and let the Lord do the rest. And as you're going through this week and you're studying, if you can honestly tell yourself that you have done your very best, then you just need to trust that the Lord will take care of the rest. And I know that He will be with you. I've been praying for you. I know that you can do your very best. And if you have questions, please feel free to contact me. So I wish you the best of luck this week, and we'll talk to you soon.